Imagine having the power to earn an impressive income, captivate a broad audience, and climb the ladder of success, all while preserving your anonymity. This isn't a mere pipe dream, it's the reality of faceless YouTube channels. In the digital era, anonymity isn't simply a safety net, it's a strategic weapon. You can forge a commanding brand, cultivate a devoted community, and rake in substantial revenue, all without disclosing your identity. Today, we'll unravel 5 transformative strategies that could usher you towards earning up to $10,000 per month from your faceless YouTube channel. Let's first embark on the thrilling ride of trendjacking. In the vast cosmos of YouTube, it's the early birds who feast on the juiciest worms, and being the vanguard to latch onto a trend could thrust your content into the limelight. Arm yourself with tools like vidIQ, Google Trends, and Twitter, your trusted allies in staying ahead of the curve. These invaluable tools not only help you identify trends on an industry basis and a subtopic basis, but they also fuel your content generation pipeline, ensuring your channel remains a vibrant hub of trendy and engaging content. Remember, in the YouTube universe, trends symbolize high demand for content, and by swiftly catering to that demand, you can bring in significant revenue and accelerate your content growth. Moreover, these tools can serve as a constant source of inspiration, fueling your content generation pipeline. Rather than scrambling for ideas, you can use these insights to create a content calendar filled with relevant, timely, and engaging videos. You could ride the wave of a trend one week, then shift gears to deliver an evergreen piece of content the next, ensuring your channel remains a vibrant, dynamic hub that your audience can depend on for entertainment or enlightenment. But remember, trendjacking isn't just about mindlessly jumping on every bandwagon. It's about finding trends that align with your channel's niche and your audience's interests, then adding your unique spin to make it truly stand out. It's a delicate balance between staying relevant and staying true to your channel's identity. In the fast-paced world of YouTube, staying ahead of the curve isn't just an option, it's a necessity. With trendjacking, you can ensure your channel is always at the forefront, capturing waves of views, likes, shares, and most importantly, new subscribers. Now let's unwrap the mystery behind thumbnails and titles. These visual and textual trailers serve as the audience's first impression of your content. Consider them as your visual elevator pitch. You have just a few fleeting seconds to captivate a potential viewer who's scrolling through a sea of alternatives. When designing your thumbnails, think in terms of bold, striking colors and clean, minimalistic compositions. Limit text to just a couple of powerful words that resonate with your audience's curiosity or desires. However, visual appeal is just one part of the equation. The thumbnail also needs to convey, at a glance, what your video is about. A clean, minimalistic composition works best here. Overly busy or cluttered thumbnails can confuse or overwhelm the viewer. Instead, keep it simple and focused, using compelling imagery that accurately represents the content of your video. Text in thumbnails should be treated like rare spices, used sparingly but effectively. Limiting your text to just a couple of powerful words can intrigue a viewer and trigger their curiosity. Remember, your thumbnail doesn't need to tell the whole story. It just needs to pique interest. For titles, deploy power phrases such as "I regret," "beginner's guide," or "top 5." These are proven clickbait phrases that ensnare your viewers and kindle their engagement with your content. Creating an intriguing title is a fine balancing act. It should be compelling enough to attract viewers, but also honest enough to not mislead them. Disappointing a viewer with a video that doesn't deliver on the title's promise can lead to a quick click on the back button and a loss of trust in your channel. Above all, always strive to maintain a consistent branding style across all your thumbnails and titles to build a unique identity for your channel in the viewers' minds. As your channel finds its rhythm and starts to sway to the tunes of success, it's time for scaling, an essential phase of a thriving YouTube channel. This phase isn't just about growing your audience and increasing your output, it's about expanding your operations strategically while preserving the quality of your content and maintaining a solid connection with your audience. Think of scaling as assembling a well-oiled machine that can elevate your channel to new heights. Contemplate bringing on board a dedicated team that can take over tasks like script writing, video editing, voiceover creation, content research, thumbnail design, and channel optimization. This delegation not only frees up your time, but also enables you to channelize your creative energies into ideating and creating outstanding content. Remember, a team is more than just a collection of individuals. It's a powerful force that, when nurtured and guided, can take your channel from being just another drop in the ocean of YouTube to becoming a commanding wave. So invest wisely in building your team and witness the transformative effect it can have on your YouTube journey. It's time we discuss the language everyone understands: money. Monetization is no longer confined to YouTube ad revenue. Exploring additional avenues such as consulting, selling courses, affiliate marketing, or developing internal revenue streams like merchandising or exclusive membership tiers can diversify and enhance your income. It's also important to remember that each of these monetization strategies has the potential to feed into each other. A viewer who discovered your channel through a recommended product might end up buying your course. Someone who joined an exclusive membership tier might decide to purchase your merchandise. By building a diverse monetization ecosystem, you can create multiple income streams that complement and enhance each other. Remember, monetization is more than just a means to make money. It's an opportunity to create additional value for your viewers, strengthen your bond with them, and turn your passion for content creation into a sustainable and rewarding endeavor. So don't hesitate to explore these exciting avenues and add a multidimensional twist to your YouTube channel's income. Now, as we conclude our journey, we stand at the precipice of what can only be described as the future, a frontier where human ingenuity and artificial intelligence intersect, the realm of AI. Today, AI is no longer a far-fetched concept exclusive to sci-fi movies. It has permeated our daily lives and holds the power to dramatically enhance your competitive edge in the dynamic world of YouTube. Artificial intelligence, with its capacity for data analysis, pattern recognition, and predictive modeling, offers exciting possibilities for YouTube creators. Revolutionary tools such as ChatGPT and Midjourney are transforming the way we approach content creation, optimization, and distribution. Harnessing the power of these tools can elevate your channel from being just another content hub to a groundbreaking trendsetter. Take ChatGPT, for instance. This AI model developed by OpenAI can churn out human-like text based on a set of input prompts. Whether you're running out of creative ideas or grappling with writer's block, ChatGPT can help you generate fresh, engaging content ideas in minutes. But it doesn't stop at ideation. This AI can even help you draft scripts, write video descriptions, and more, significantly reducing the time and effort involved in content creation. Furthermore, artificial intelligence can aid in creating unique video content. From automating video editing to creating AI-generated animations and graphics, these technologies offer efficient ways to produce high-quality content consistently. This not only saves you valuable time and resources, but also ensures your content remains top-notch, engaging, and tailored to your audience's preferences. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of integrating AI into your YouTube strategy is its potential for personalization. AI algorithms can analyze your viewers' interactions, engagement patterns, and feedback, allowing you to deliver a personalized content experience that resonates deeply with your audience. This, in turn, can foster a stronger connection between your channel and its viewers, ultimately driving loyalty, engagement, and growth. The advent of AI in the world of YouTube is a clear sign that we're in the midst of a digital revolution. By leveraging these innovative tools, you can remain at the forefront of this change, ensuring your channel isn't just riding the wave, but leading it. Remember, in the vast universe of YouTube, those who adapt and embrace new technologies will thrive. So step into the future, embrace AI, and watch as your faceless YouTube channel transforms into a powerhouse of digital content. In a nutshell, faceless YouTube channels present a unique opportunity to build a powerful brand, foster a broad audience, and earn a substantial income, all while maintaining your anonymity. By harnessing the strategies we've outlined today, you can propel your channel to unprecedented heights and realize the success you've always dreamed of. So why wait? The future of YouTube is here, and it's waiting for you.